Lesson 5. I can talk about appearance. 1. What is the goal of this lesson? By the end, you should be able to describe someone's appearance naturally. Open quote, he's tall and skinny. He's got broad shoulders and thick eyebrows. He's in good shape, but he's going bald. Close quote. For a woman, open quote, she's slim with a good figure. She has a roundish face and smooth skin. Her hair is going grey and she wears contact lenses. Close quote. The lesson has 3 important skills. 1. Describe someone's body and face. 2. Describe hair, skin and facial hair. 3. Describe changes in appearance, body shape. Well built. Built. Part of speech. Adjective, meaning having a strong, solid physical build. Open quote, he's well built. Close quote, think well built equals strong, solid body. Example. Open quote, my brother is well built. Close quote. This means his body has a strong, solid structure. Important grammar. We normally say, open quote, he is well built. She is slim. Close quote. Not open quote, he has well built. Close quote. Because well built is an adjective. Now 3. Broad shoulders. Pronunciation. Part of speech, noun phrase, meaning shoulders that are wide. Open quote, he's got broad shoulders. Close grammar notice. Open quote, he's got broad shoulders. Close quote, have got plus noun. Examples, open quote, he's got broad shoulders. She's got long hair. He's got thick eyebrows. He's got a scar. Close quote. This is one of the most useful structures in this lesson. Number 4, skinny pronunciation. Skinny, part of speech, adjective meaning very thin. Open quote, he's tall and skinny. Close quote. The important distinction is skinny, slim. Skinny, very thin. Often sounds negative. Slim, thin in a generally positive, neutral way. Compare. Open quote, he's skinny. She's slim. Close quote. Number 5, in good shape. Pronunciation. In shape, part of speech, idiomatic phrase, meaning physically fit and healthy. Open quote, he's in good shape. Close quote grammar. Always remember the preposition. Open quote, be in good shape, close quote. He is good shape, he is in good shape. Opposite, open quote, in bad shape, close quote. Very useful distinction. Skinny describes body size. In good shape describes physical fitness condition. So, open quote, he's skinny but he's in good shape, close quote. This is perfectly possible. Part 2, face and hair. 6, thick eyebrows. Pronunciation, part of speech, noun phrase meaning eyebrows with a lot of hair. They look full rather than thin. Open quote, he's got thick eyebrows. Close quote. Singular, open quote, an eyebrow. Close quote. Plural, open quote, eyebrows. Close quote. Notice the spelling, eyebrows, eyebrows. Number 7, stubble. Pronunciation, stubble. Part of speech, noun meaning short facial hair that appears when someone has not shaved recently. Open quote, he's got stubble. Close quote. Imagine someone shaved yesterday. The short hair that appears afterward is stubble. Compare, open quote, stubble, short facial hair, beard, longer facial hair, clean shaven, no beard or stubble. Close quote. Number 8, clean shaven. Pronunciation, part of speech, adjective, meaning having no beard or moustache because the face has been shaved. Open quote, he's clean shaven. Close quote. Compare, open quote, he has stubble. He has a beard. He is clean shaven. Close quote. These 3 words describe different states of facial hair. Number 9, bald. Pronunciation, bald. Part of speech, adjective, meaning having little or no hair on the head. Open quote, he's bald. Close quote. This describes the condition result. Compare, open quote, he's going bald. The process is happening. He's bald. The condition result. Close quote. Number 10, going bald. Part of speech, verb phrase, meaning starting to lose the hair on your head. Open quote, going bald. Close quote. Grammar, go adjective. This pattern can describe a change. Open quote, go bald, go grey. Close quote. So, open quote, he's going bald. Close quote. The ing form here is part of the present continuous. Open quote, he is going bald. Close quote. Number 11, receding hair. Pronunciate, part of speech, adjective, noun, meaning hair that is gradually moving backward, especially at the front of the head. Open quote, his hair is receding. Close quote. Or, open quote, he has a receding hairline. Close quote. Last quote. Very important distinction. Going bald equals general process of losing hair. Receding hairline equals specifically the front hairline is moving backward. 12. Scar. Pronunciation, noun, meaning a permanent mark on the skin left after an injury or wound has healed. Open quote, he has a scar on his head. Close quote. Grammar. Because scar is countable, open quote. A scar, 2 scars, a small scar. Close quote. 3, skin. 13, dark-skinned. Pronunciation, skinned, part of speech. Adjective, meaning having relatively dark-coloured skin. Open quote, he's dark-skinned. Close quote. Opposite, open quote, light-skinned. Close quote. You can also say, open quote, pale-skinned, close quote, but pale and dark are not exact opposites in every context. 14, pale-skinned, part of speech. Adjective meaning having very light skin, open quote, she's pale-skinned, close quote. 15, smooth skin, pronunciation, part of speech, adjective noun, meaning skin that is soft and even rather than rough. Open quote, she has smooth skin, close quote. Opposite, open quote, rough skin, close quote. So, open quote, smooth, rough, close quote. Part 4, body shape. 16, plump, part of speech, adjective, meaning slightly fat or rounded, often expressed in a relatively gentle way. Open quote, she's quite plump. Close quote, the word is generally softer than fat, although whether it sounds positive depends on context. 17, fattish, fatitch, part of speech, adjective, meaning somewhat fat, a little fat. Open quote, he's got a fattish face. Close quote. Now we meet an important grammar vocabulary rule. The suffix ishish often means, open quote, somewhat, rather, approximately, close quote. Examples, round, roundish, somewhat round, tall, tallish, somewhat tall, young, youngish, somewhat young, fat, fattish, somewhat fat. So open quote, roundish-ish, perfectly round, close quote, means quite round, somewhat round. Part 5, female appearance. 18, pregnant, pronunciation, part of speech, adjective, having a baby developing inside the body. Open quote, she is pregnant, close quote, common structure, open quote, be pregnant, close quote, not, open quote, she has pregnant, close quote, correct, open quote, she is pregnant, close quote. Number 19, expecting a baby, pronunciation, part of speech, verb phrase, meaning pregnant, going to have a baby. Open quote, she's expecting a baby, close quote. You can also say, open quote, she's expecting her first baby, close quote. The expression expecting a baby is a common natural way of talking about pregnancy. Number 20, pronunciation, pretty, petite, part of speech, adjective, meaning attractive or pleasant to look at. Open quote, she has a pretty face, close quote. The textbook says it is especially common when describing girls or young women. Other words, open quote, pretty, beautiful, attractive, close quote. They are related, but they don't have exactly the same strength or style. Number 21, roundish face, pronunciation, rundashfis, part of speech, adjective noun, meaning a face that is somewhat round. Open quote, she has a roundish face, close quote. Remember, open quote, round, roundish, close quote. The ish makes the description less exact. Now 22, slim, part of speech, adjective, meaning thin in an attractive or healthy looking way. Open quote, she's still slim, close quote. Compare carefully, word meaning slim, usually positive, skinny, very thin, often negative, plump, slightly fat, rounded, fattish, somewhat fat. 23, figure, pronunciation, feature, noun, meaning in this lesson, the shape of a woman's body. Open quote, she's got a good figure, close quote. Here, figure does not mean a number. For example, open quote, the figure is 50%. Close quote, here figure equals number, but open quote, she has a good figure, close quote, here figure equals body shape. Context determines the meaning. Part 6, changes with age. 24, wrinkles, pronunciation, plural noun, meaning small lines or folds in the skin, especially as people get older. Open quote, she's got a few wrinkles around her eyes, close quote. Common expression, open quote, wrinkles around the eyes, close quote. 25, go grey, pro-grey, part of speech, verb phrase, meaning hair gradually becomes grey or white. Open quote, she's going grey, close quote. Again, notice, ghost adjective, open quote, go grey, go bald, close quote. This describes a change. Number 26, neat, part of speech, adjective, meaning tidy, clean, and carefully arranged. Open quote, her hair is neat, close quote. Compare, open quote, neat hair, tidy hair, messy hair, untidy hair, close quote. Number 27, contact lenses. Pronunciation, lenses, part of speech, plural noun, meaning small lenses worn directly on the eyes to help you see. Open quote, she wears contact lenses. Close quote, important. Open quote, wear contact lenses, wear glasses, close quote. We normally use wear, not have, for something you put on your body. 28, appearance. Part of speech, noun, meaning the way someone or something looks. Open quote, her appearance hasn't changed much, close quote. It includes face, hair, skin, body, clothing, general physical look. At part 7, the most important grammar. Now let's put everything together. A, be plus adjective. Use be to describe a condition or characteristic. Structure, subject plus be adjective. Open quote, he is bald, she is slim, he is skinny, she is pregnant, he is well built, close quote. B, have, has, got plus noun. Use this for things, features someone possesses. Structure, subject, have, has, got plus noun. Open quote, he has got broad shoulders, she has got smooth skin, he has got thick eyebrows, he has got a scar, close quote. Remember, I, you, we, they have got. Open quote, they have got broad shoulders, close quote. He, she, it has got. Open quote, she has got long hair, close quote. C, look plus adjective. Use look when talking about someone's appearance or your impression. Open quote, she looks tanned, he looks young, she looks slim, close quote. Compare, open quote, she is slim, statement about her, she looks slim, how she appears to you, close quote. At D, go, adjective, change. This is extremely important. Open quote, go grey, go bald, close quote, meaning something changes from one condition to another. Open quote, his hair is going grey, close quote. His hair is changing from its original colour to grey. Open quote, he's going bald, close quote, equals he's gradually losing his hair. E, textbook says, open quote, you can't tell that she's nearly 60, close quote. Here, tell means notice, recognise or guess. It does not mean say something to someone. Compare, tell equals say, inform. Open quote, she told me the truth, close quote. Tell equals notice, recognise, open quote, you can't tell she's nearly 60, close quote, meaning, open quote, from her appearance, you cannot guess that she is nearly 60, close quote. Now let's build a description. Look at the structure. Open quote, he's tall and skinny, he's got broad shoulders, he's got thick eyebrows and stubble, he's in good shape, he's going bald, his hair is receding, close quote. Notice how we combine different grammatical structures. Pattern 1, be, open quote, he's tall, close quote. Pattern 2, have got open quote, he's got broad shoulders, close quote. Pattern 3, be plus phrase, open quote, he's in good shape, close quote. Pattern 4, ghost adjective, open quote, he's going bald, close quote. Pattern 5, possessive continuous verb, open quote, his hair is receding, close quote. Mini speaking lesson, try to memorize this framework rather than memorizing individual sentences. Step 1, body, open quote, he's tall and, close quote. Step 2, body features, open quote, he's got, close quote. Step 3, face, open quote, he's got torn, close quote. Step 4, skin, open quote, he's skinned, close quote. Step 5, hair, open quote, his hair is, close quote. 6, fitness, open quote, he's in good shape, close quote. For example, open quote, he's tall and skinny, he's got broad shoulders and thick eyebrows, he's got some stubble and he's dark-skinned. He's in good shape, but he's going bald and his hair is receding, close quote. That is already a complete natural description. Your key vocabulary map. Think of the vocabulary in groups, not as 28 separate words. Body well built, broad shoulders, skinny, slim, plump, fattish, good figure. Face roundish face, thick eyebrows, stubble, clean shaven, scar. Skin dark skinned, pale skinned, smooth skinned, tanned, hair long, neat hair, going grey, going bald, receding hair. Age wrinkles, going grey, going bald. Eyes, contact lenses, general appearance, pretty, in good shape, tell. Special grammarish, somewhat quite open. Quote, round, roundish, tall, tallish, fat, fattish, close quote. Quick test, don't look back. Complete these. 1, he has short shoulders. 2, he's very thin. 3, he has short facial hair. 4, he has no beard. 5, he's losing his hair. He's going. 6, his hairline is moving backward. His hair is 7, she has a somewhat round face. She has a face. 8, her hair is becoming grey. She's going. 9, she is thin in an attractive way. She's 10, 10, she's pregnant. She's a baby. 11, her skin is soft and even. She has small skin. 12, she wears small lenses in her eyes. She wears answers. 1, broad. 2, skinny. 3, stubble. 4, clean shaven. 5, bald. 6, receding. 7, roundish. 8, grey. 9, slim. Expecting. 11, smooth. 12, contact lenses.